Right, let's look at graphing the straight line graph equation. That would be that there. We know this is its standard, the way in which it is presented, y equals mx plus c, this being the slope or gradient, and that being the y-intercept, where it cuts the y-axis. Okay, so we're going to use the slope and gradient and y-intercept, and we have a formula here, y equals 4x minus 1. We're going to use that equation, okay? And if we were to plot it using 0, 1, and 2, we would come up with these coordinates, 0 and minus 1, 1 and 3, and 2 and 7, simply by plotting them into our equation up here. Now we can see from this that 4 is our slope or our gradient, okay? And minus 1 is where it's going to cut the y-axis. Okay, so let's go look at it on the graph. So we know it's going to cut here, minus 1. Okay, and let's plot these points that we had there. It was 0, minus 1. So x is 0 and y is minus 1, so that we have. Okay, then we have 1 and 3. So x is 1, y is 3. And then we have 2 and 7. X is 2 and y is 7. Right. We can already see it's going to cut our axis at minus 1, which is correct according to this formula that we have, or equation. We can see the y-intercept is minus 1. Okay, so now I'm going to try and draw a straight line. I'm using an iPad. It doesn't always work that well. But let me try my best and see if I can get it to go through properly so we can have our graph. There we go. That's about the best I can do. Okay, now our slope, we know, is 4. Okay, so let's go look at our slope, right? It was 1 across and 4 up, okay? So 1 across, there it is there, and 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our slope. Oopsie, let me just fix that up a bit. Okay, so that is our slope here. Right, so you've got an idea now of how things work on the Cartesian plane when it comes to gradient and intercept. If you're not already following me, I upload videos every day, Monday to Friday, to help you with your maths. It'd be nice to have you on board. You can just press subscribe below.